Hey there, pal. You know the boss has been meaning to have a meeting with you, if you catch my drift.
Like a dinner meeting. How about at Gangsters?
Whoa, buddy. I prefer the term associate.
No, I mean Gangsters Steakhouse in Platteville.
I see. You're a bit of a wise guy. What else does your smart mouth have to say?
Oh, I won't be saying anything. If we go to Gangsters, I'll be too busy enjoying every bite of my delicious 18-ounce tomahawk prime rib or T-bone steak. Or maybe the Gangsters chops. They have so many entrees to choose from.
Come on, you got a reservation with the Don.
Reservations? Why didn't you say so? Just call Gangsters Steakhouse at 349-3300.
Gangster Steakhouse at the corner of Main and 2nd Street in Platteville, open Wednesday through Saturday for lunch and dinner and Sundays for lunch. Check out their full menu including hand-cut steaks, seafood, pasta, sandwiches, and more. Be a part of the family. Gangster Steakhouse on Main Street in downtown Platteville.
And tell them Joe sent ya.